As we leave the warm winter in our converted garden room extension, we begin to enjoy the spring sunshine and look forward to the summer. So what are the benefits to installing a solid tiled roof to my existing conservatory? Well, a solid tiled roof conversion is between 14 and 20 times warmer in winter. As for the summer, you can enjoy much cooler experience with no glare. Look at the thickness of the reveals around the roof window, over 200 mm thick. Most of the roof installations have spotlights as well as either a roof window or glass plates. And lastly, you've added value to the property because you've converted the old conservatory into a building control approved garden room extension. If you would like to improve your living space, why not get a no-nonsense quotation? Either fill in the form like this one, or give us a call to arrange an appointment. We look forward to helping you in the near future.